we're getting ready for the shearer to come. The sheep have been moved from the nighttime pen into here. And this way, the shearer will take one at a time in this clean area. And then when the animal is done being shorn, it'll take about 3 to 4 minutes. And they get their toenails done too, so it's a pedicure too. They'll go into the next pen, so they'll be able to see their friends and no one will be separated. That's really important when you're shearing. The only part they really hate is the disruption of their routine. As you can see, they're not really happy that we're not doing the normal morning routine. And they don't want to be separated from their friends. So we'll show you in a minute when the shearer comes. We just want to do a quick video because when the shearer comes, it's going to be very loud for electrical shears. So you'll see them all clean in a minute. This is super. Girl, now you're going to go with your front pen. You look so pretty. There we go. So, I'm back in the barn after all the sheep have been shorn. You can see the different colors of fleece that comes off them. This is just one animal. This happens to be sweet pea right here. So all these colors were on one little fin sheep. And I'll have a lot of beautiful variety of natural colors to work with. The next step is I'll be skirting all their fleeces to get it ready to spin into yarn. And then we'll have it in our shop or at the farmer's market. And if you wanted to meet these friendly sheep in person, feel free to book a barn visit. They'd love to meet you in the barn in person. You can book that on our website.